Alright, y'all already know the vibes. Gotta get y'all with a cold start to start the morning. What's good, y'all? We back with another video down in Ocean City. Right now we just walking through the alleyway because we ain't taking the car today. We gonna go for a walk. I felt as if we ain't get enough clips driving and everything, so we gonna get some clips walking around Ocean City. You know I got my mask on, but I gotta talk to y'all so y'all can hear me. This mask like really tight. When we go get some clips for y'all, I'ma try to talk, and when I hear a car, I'ma shut up. Cause nobody want to hear me talk, so we gonna show the cars that drive past. We walking on a very busy street right now. Yeah, I'm like on a very busy street. So when you come inside Ocean City, you gotta come through the street that I'm on. So we get a lot of cars driving past. It's a lot of cars in the lot. I'm gonna try to walk inside some of the garage lots and show y'all some of the cars. Everybody got their banana and stuff. But nah, yeah. The cars go on for days, bro. When I tell you, look at this. But yeah, every block that you walk down, like this is 15th Street, this is 16th Street, my fault. And you still got cars on every corner, every parking lot. Mustangs, Subarus, and BMWs. But my man said 94th Street lit, but we walking today, so I don't know how long it's gonna take for us to get up there. But so what we might do, we might walk up the 20th, make a U-turn, walk down the boardwalk, and then hop in the car. That'd probably be the best option. So we ain't trying to miss the entertainment. The entertainment lit. I'm trying to get that. You got everybody going crazy with tape. They got tape all over their cars. It's gonna say Thought Patrol, Whack Patrol, Banana Control, all this other type of weird stuff. I'm not a cop. Ocean City lit. And you got all the bananas and everything out. Oh yeah, they going crazy on every block. If y'all watched the video last night, not last night, but yesterday, about the banger went hard. It got shut down a couple times, but they was doing some stuff. But yeah, what we got? Look at this Mustang right here. Got the Focus. Another Focus. When I tell y'all, it's lit, young. I ain't know, this is my first time going on one of these. Dang, real quick, we just crossed the street. Look at this Hellcat right here, young. All the way down from, or up from New York. Got somebody leaving a lot right here. You got another Hellcat. Oh, somebody spinning tires. You got another Hellcat right there. We need one for the That Drink Sweet montage. Oh, never mind. As soon as I said something, we got a That Drink Sweet right here. Look at this. It's alright. It didn't say boy bow, girl drive this. That drink sweet though. This ain't sweet. We will come down here tomorrow and actually go on the sand and stuff though. Okay. They got all the little drinks and stuff on the side. And our house is like right there on the boardwalk too. So we can walk to the boardwalk from where we live at. It's right across the street. And for the people who ask about the drop down plate, I'm gonna show you from an angle so y'all. I'm gonna show you from an angle, and then I'm gonna press the button and then cover my plate. So that's what the little red button do on the inside of my car. So if I press the button again, this will lift up. It's the same thing for the back as well. So let me go on the other side. Press the thing. So that's what the little red button is on the inside of my car. So when I press the button on the inside of the car, you see the drain flash. That's all it is.